Hi. Today, we will see how to create a zigzag indicator in the TradingView Pine script. First, let's see what the indicator looks like. See, we get such a zigzag line formation on the chart. If the line is going up, it is in green color. Otherwise, it is red in color. Let's understand the logic. From the very first bar on the chart, we start to draw a line. Since the second bar has closed higher, the line will be initially drawn like this. Then on the third bar, we get another higher close, so the earlier line will now extend like this. And finally, on the fourth bar, we get a new higher close. So the line will be redrawn as we see here. So as we get new higher closes, the earlier line gets wiped out and gets drawn further. Then, we get a lower closed bar. So we start drawing a new line in red color. The line keeps extending to newer lows as we get newer, lower closed bars. So this formation keeps happening in higher and lower closed bars, therefore giving us upward going green lines and downward going red lines. Also, we draw small circles at the highest close of the green line and at the lowest close of the red line. Overall, we have such a nice zigzag line pattern all over the chart. It helps us identify the ABC or 1, 2, 3 pattern very easily. You may notice that the bar color is white. You may change that from this Keep Bar Color option in the input panel of the indicator. But, how is this indicator better than the usual line chart? Let's see the line chart itself. See, the blue line is the regular line chart. See, from here to here, the price made continuous higher closes. Still, the line chart is not that smooth. It makes multiple peaks and valleys in between. Whereas the zigzag indicator just connects the lowest and highest points in the rally, therefore eliminating the noise to a great extent. Okay. Now that we have understood how the indicator works, let's see the code. This is the indicator function with the name ZigZag Indicator. This piece of code handles the bar color. On the very first bar on the chart, we draw a line. This line does not get shown as of now because there is no other bar to connect it to. Here we have written two conditions to find out if a fresh green or red bar has occurred or not. Fresh green bar means, until now, the bars were red in color, and now a new fresh first green bar has appeared. Similarly, a fresh red bar means that, until now, the bars were green in color, and now a new, fresh first red bar has appeared. When a fresh green bar appears, that means that until now the bars were red. So we draw a small circle at the lowest closed bar until now. And then, we start drawing the green line. When a fresh red bar appears, that means that until now the bars were green. So we draw a small circle at the highest closed bar until now. And then, we start drawing the red line. If the current and previous bars both were green, and now we have found a higher close, then we just extend our green line. Similarly, if the current and previous bars both were red, and now we have found a lower close, then we just extend our red line. So, that's it. That's how we create a zigzag indicator in the TradingView Pine script. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.